Mm. It's already put in the refrigerator and it's cold, so it's too thick, the gravy. Glutinous rice balls in coconut milk. Pandan flavor. This one is the purple yam. Ube.